now, I mean, we're just seeing this market continue to grind higher. We're seeing some absolutely exuberance out of Nasdaq names. Nasdaq now like 4% off all-time highs, 6 straight days up. So anything digital, anything internet related, internet sales, anything speeding up the technology transfer into kind of the new age has been going absolutely nuts. Probably more so than it needs to right now, but don't fight the trend. We're seeing a vicious uptrend right now in these tech names. What do you got?
Yeah, Shake, if you pull up that chart I sent you over, goes right along with your thesis with the Nasdaq. Trends our friend. Really, anything above 9,000 Nasdaq is fully fine. I think for most, it's no one would really have ever assumed we would have gone back to this high as quickly. And then just with the S&P has been lagging relative to Nasdaq, and we talked last week about this 296 kind of 300 area in the SPY, which has been some significant resistance for some time, and again, similar seep up trend where right now everyone's kind of in limbo. They don't know what to do because we're kind of dead smack in the middle of this range. So you have to definitely been much easier to focus on the tech names.